Okay, so hi dear Libra, very good afternoon to you guys. This is Tara Anjali, and this is a journal or reading for all the Libra, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from what's the date? 15 till the 21st of September. Rules can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. So the connection is, let's see what we have. Okay, sweetie. We have the Nine of Swords here. So this situation is bringing a lot of anxiety and stressful energies out for both of you guys. Right now it's like sleepless nights, insomnia, overthinking, continuously overthinking. At least one of you is creating these scenarios in their mind that are not at all true, but they can't stop thinking negative about the whole situation. Instead of trying to fix it or work on it or trying to get to know the reality of the situation, somebody is just fixated on the idea that everything is wrong, nothing is working out, everything is uh, falling apart, or Libra is doing something wrong, or maybe it may be you, it might be you. So there is a sense of creating scenarios in your minds that are not at all true and hurting yourself only, continuously creating this anxious state of mind and anxious energies around the situation. Although this is a minor arcana, but this is a very stressful energy around the situation that is making you guys feel uneasy about the whole scenario, about the whole dynamics. So you guys are not able to feel the love, feel the connection, because your mind is telling you guys it's not working out. There are lots of things that are not like revealed. Lots of things are going on behind the scenes. So it's like, I don't think so that's true. Might be one or two things are true, but it's like 100 things cannot be true. So the message for both of you individually is stop creating scenarios in your mind that might or might not be true, and don't try to control each and everything in your life. Controlling the other person is not love. Setting them free and like doing your own thing and still maintaining a healthy relationship is true love. So try to understand the definition of true love, and then go according to that. If you are going to stress about other person all the time, how you are going to live your life, right? That's the difficult question to answer here. Let's see your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Libra. We have the Three of Cups. Okay, there's a sense of keeping things light-hearted, keeping things casual, maybe coming together, coming back together, having fun as a team. Let me clarify this. They might be trying their best to remove the anxious energies out of the situation. Let's see, let's clarify this Three of Cups. We have the Queen of Cups, the Ace of Pentacles, and the Two of Cups. See, there's a lot of love in the situation from this person's side. They might not be able to express this, but this person feels like there is still a potential in the situation to make it stable, to make it work out in a beautiful soulmate kind of dynamic, beautiful soulmate kind of energy. So this person feels like having a light-hearted kind of approach to reach out to this situation in a beautiful, loving, and compassionate way, and giving this situation a shot with all of their heart and soul, creating a very stable base for the future direction of this connection. So somebody is in love, and somebody is feeling like there is potential in the situation to work out in a very beautiful and positive way. They might not be able to express their true feelings to you, but this person's feelings are overflowing right now towards you, not in a bad way. So let's say, for example, I love you and I can't imagine my life without you. But what I'm when I am around you, or when I'm talking to you, it seems like I just feel like a friendly kind of bonding with you, and that's it. That's what's happening with this person. They are so deeply feeling the connection, but they feel like okay, they should keep it casual and light-hearted. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Libra? Six of Wands. So from your side, you feel like you should be the center of attention of your own world. You feel like okay, working on your own success and victory, or making something work out, but not losing yourself in that. Okay, let's clarify the Six of Wands here. Okay, get here. We have the Ten of Cups, the Two of Swords, and the Justice card. This is your card only. So you feel like you should have this happily ever after kind of a deal, but you feel like going in this direction only and only when you are going to have the proper clarity and understanding of whether you should go forward in this direction or not. It's not about a particular person or situation. You genuinely feel like you should just prepare yourself enough so that you can move forward in this direction in a proper way. And until unless you are going to get the clarity, the green flag from the universe's side, you feel like just working on yourself and your success, your victory, your name, fame, and everything. Besides that, you feel like if you are going to be with somebody, you are not going to lose yourself no matter what. Okay. Okay. That's a good thing. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Libra? Devil. Three of Cups, the devil here might be they are dealing with somebody else also, and or you are dealing with somebody else also, but they still want you. Let me clarify this devil. It's giving me mixed signals. Let's see what we have. God, come here. We have the Hermit, Nine of Pentacles, the Death card. You know, this person wants to make this situation come back together no matter what it takes for the situation to come back together. It's like they don't want to remain single. This person doesn't want to let you go. And it's like they want to make this situation come back together by a hook or by a crook. This is their intention. The Nine of Pentacles with Death, they don't like your independence, they don't like your freedom. They want you to be attached to them. If it was not devil, then it was a good intention, good energy. But attached to the thing, like attached to devil, this hermit is giving me this vibe that this person wants you to be attached with them. They don't want you to be independent, to be free and happy without them. This is so simple. They just want to bring this situation back by hook or by crook, where they want you to be dependent on them. This is their deep rooted desire that you should not live your life without them, and they want to make it they want to keep you hooked to them by hook or by crook. This is their intention, and it's very unhealthy. This is not a good intention. Like if you're going to talk to this person, they're going to tell you, I just want you to love me, I just want you to be with me, and this and that. But maybe unconsciously, but this person definitely wants you to be dependent on them somehow, so that they can feel valuable in your life. I don't know how that works. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Libra? Page of Swords. So from your side, you just want to keep yourself at a safe distance, and you just want to see what this person is up to. You want to watch this person or this situation from a distance. You just want to know what's going on properly and honestly. Yeah. You don't want to participate in the drama. In their feelings, they have genuine, loving, caring kind of feelings for you. but you can't force anybody to love you the way you love them. So they literally want you to force you to love them the way you love, the way they love you. And this intention is kind of making me doubt their feelings. It's not love, it's control, and it's unhealthy. Yeah, from your side, you just want to remain open and optimistic to the idea of moving forward in your life towards the people, situations, or things that you're really very, very passionate about in your life. You want to move forward towards better opportunities, better people, better situations, better connections. You might not be very much concerned about a romantic partner right now, but you are definitely very much interested in moving forward in your life in a positive way, where you can become a better person, you can become a better version of yourself, and you're looking forward to have beautiful opportunities in the coming future. So you want to move ahead in your life, keeping moving ahead, not looking back, and waiting for good opportunities, good kind of energies, good vibes, remaining open to the idea of exploring the new. Hmm? Meanwhile, watching this person from a distance, I don't know how you're watching them. You are still watching them, and you want to. You are like, this curiosity is there. Let's see what could be the potential outcome for you guys till the 21st of September. Oh God, Libra, come here. Yeah. Libra, you guys always give me hard time to read your cards. What's wrong with you guys? Tell me. Don't you guys like me? You guys hate me or what? What? Tell me honestly, I'm talking to you guys. Aries people and Libra people, they give me very hard time to read their cards. Four of Swords we have in the outcome. It's like, let me say, physically things might not be moving forward or nothing is happening, but internally you are going to be in this energy of, okay, let me look into myself, let me heal myself properly, let me just detach from the outside world and come back to myself and start a brand new chapter of my life. Four of Swords is a detachment energy, healing, praying, meditation kind of energy, and being in this going inwards kind of deal. Let's clarify the Four of Swords here. मुखड़े पे डाले हुए जुल्फों की बदली. Yep. The future of this connection is up in the air. No one is budging in, because there are lots of mysterious and secretive and insecure energies in the situation, full of confusion, full of illusions kind of energy in the situation. And nobody is trying to resolve it, or even if you guys are trying to resolve it, nothing good is coming out of it. So you guys are going to be in this mode of waiting and watching and healing, waiting, watching, healing, detaching yourself from the situation, or at least trying to. You're telling me I'm done, I'm moving on, but you are not. You are still there, not fully there, not fully there. You are in the middle of the transition phase of this chapter. But this particular week is going to give you a lot of time to, oh God, see, I told you guys never give me the good space to read your cards. What's wrong? And this painting is killing me these days. टेढ़ा है पर मेरा है. Fine. So this week is going to give you a lot of time to sit with yourself and understand what's going on and what you should do with this situation. To both of you, actually. But there will be a lot of mysterious, secretive energies that you guys will not be able to figure out yet. For you, the guidance here is Queen of Pentacles. Instead of faking the instead of faking the groundedness that everything is sorted, my life is good, and everything is good, try to face the reality, the truth about your own energies regarding the situation, about your own uncertainty and unsurety about the situation, and try to figure out why whatever is happening and how you can resolve it. If you cannot resolve it, how you can make yourself a better person getting the lessons out of the situation. I'm not saying you are 100% faking this groundedness in your life. You are not doing this 100%, but there are certain things that you might be avoiding, or you might be delaying, like, okay, I'll see afterwards, I will think about it later on, or right now is not the right time. Right now is the right time for you guys to reflect on whatever is not working out, or might be a situation coming back in your life again and again and again. So right now the universe is giving you full time to reflect on things that's not working out, or that you need to heal or release properly, so that it's going to be a better thing next time. Cool. Let me answer one of your questions. So please close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths. Close your eyes, take 3 deep breath. Ask your question very, very precisely in your mind 3 times. The same question 3 times related to your love and relationship area. Like, keep it simple, short, and precise, so that we can get the answer properly. I'm going to give you 10 seconds for the same, and your time starts now. So we have unlikely. Unlikely is a kind of no. Unlikely is not a proper no, but right now no, it's not happening, whatever your question is. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Libra, finally. So I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.